Rob's gonna let me drive a snow dog, give me a little lesson on it. We gotta hurry up because it's getting dark quick and the weather's really taking a turn.
Yeah, weather's moving in on us.
All right.
Step one is to start the snow dog.
Throttle, brake, see, go. That's all I need to know.
At roughly 300 pounds with a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, the Snow Dog is a reliable machine that I thoroughly enjoy.
I like it.
It's pretty awesome, isn't it? All right, buddy. Good job today.
Thanks, man.
The next time you find yourself anywhere near Big Sky Country, hit up Montana Fishing Guides for a truly great experience of fishing, catching, eating, and maybe even a little bit of shenanigans.